BrailleNote Touch Plus Basic Commands. The Touch Plus has many commands that will help you efficiently use your device and empower you to use its many functions. This video is going to touch, pun intended, on some of the basics you should know as you are getting started. There is a cheat sheet on your resource document. This is linked in the description of the YouTube video. You can use this as you are memorizing new commands for your device. Keep it nearby if you choose. I am a big fan of cheat sheets because they take a little bit of the pressure off. Instead of having to completely memorize all these new shortcuts and keystrokes right away and figure out what they do, you can focus on their functions and not the memorization of what they are. Then the more you practice, the more quickly you will memorize them. This video is broken down into 4 sections: adjusting spoken feedback, device information, main menu, and other. Please keep in mind there are multiple ways to access functions and locations on your device. Keystrokes are just one way and are often quicker. The first part we'll look at is ways that you can adjust spoken feedback. This will include like your volume, the speed of the output of your device, like of the speaking rate, how to stop speech, and how to toggle it on and off. Let's go through some of the basic keystrokes that will allow you to adjust spoken feedback from the touch. So to increase volume, as you'll note from my previous video, you can use the buttons on the left side panel, but you can also use the keystrokes Enter plus .4 to increase and Enter plus .1 to decrease. I will demonstrate. First, we'll increase the volume, Enter plus .4.
Louder, louder, louder.
And then to decrease,
accessibility volume.
To increase is Enter plus .1.
Softer, softer, softer. Accessibility.
Next, you can increase the speed, which is Enter and .6.
Normal, fast, slightly faster, much faster.
And then to decrease is Enter and .3.
Slightly faster, fast, normal, slow.
Now, one thing you might have seen me do a few times during this video is stop the speech. To do that, you just simply press Enter and backspace at the same time. And my touch wasn't talking at the time, so you didn't hear the difference in speech, but as you probably noticed throughout the video, as soon as I did Enter plus backspace, the device speech stopped. Then, if you want to toggle the speech on and off, go ahead and press your space in your previous key, which is that key on the far left on the front panel. Now, when you turn the speech off, it does not say anything. But when you go to turn the speech back on,
speech on,
it does announce that. The next section is going to talk about some information that is commonly accessed by Braille note taker users. That includes the time, the battery, how much battery charge you have left, your Bluetooth and your Wi-Fi info, and then getting help. Some information that you may frequently want to obtain from your touch is the time, the power status of your battery, your Bluetooth and Wi-Fi information, which is also called connectivity information, and then getting context-sensitive help, which is getting help within whatever program you're using. To display time, this one's super easy to remember. We'll just do an Enter plus T.
1:13 p.m.
To display your power, another easy one to remember, Enter plus P.
Battery, 10% not charging.
Oh, I better plug my unit in. Next, to hear your Bluetooth and Wi-Fi status, you're going to press Enter along with dots 3 and 4.
Connectivity informations. Wi-Fi status, not connected.
And then next, to get context-sensitive help, which means if you're in, say that I'm in word processing and I need help, this is how I can get help within that program. And that's just simply a space plus H.
Key soft help. To quickly jump to an item.
Next, we're going to review how to navigate the main menu. Some other really important keystrokes that you will want to be comfortable with and know well are navigating your main menu. So the Touch is going to have a variety of menus, but the main menu is probably one that you're going to come across quite frequently. So if you want to get to your main menu, you can do that actually two different ways. So one, you can press your home button, which is that circle button on the front of your unit. Or you can do a space plus a full braille cell. And I'm already in my main menu, so that's why we didn't hear anything. Once you're in your main menu, if you want to move up or down an item, again, super simple. To move down an item, you are going to do, again, two ways. You can use your thumb key, the next button, which is on the right side of the front of your unit.
Bottom.
And I'm at the bottom. If you want to move up an item, you just use your previous thumb key, which is at the very left of your front panel.
Braille terminal. KNFB reader.
Or you can do a space plus dot one.
Easy Reader Plus. Calculator. File manager. Key files. Calculator. Easy Reader Plus. KNFB reader.
So either method that you use, space dots 1 or space dot 4, they're both really easy ways to, or using your thumb keys, super easy ways to get up and down through your menu. If you want to move really quickly to the top of the bottom of your menu, we've got a way to do that. To move to the top of the menu, you're going to do space plus dots 1, 2, 3.
Top.
And
Contacts.
And if you want to go to the
list.
Oops, if you want to get to the bottom of your menu, you guessed it, space plus dots 4, 5, 6.
Bottom.
And then finally, I'm going to go through just a few other navigation commands. All right, finally, I'm going to go through 3 navigation commands that you will also probably use pretty frequently. First, there are 2 different ways that you can check out what apps you have running. First, you can do your open apps, or excuse me, your running apps button, which is the square that's located on the front panel of your device. Just give that a push and it will open up your applications that you have open, or you can do a space plus dots 2, 3, and 5, which I will demonstrate.
Recent app overview.
And there it's giving me an overview of my open apps. When you're within a program, if you want to open that program's menu, you can go ahead and just simply do a space plus M, and that will open up any whatever program you're in. It will open up the menu for that, and it will allow you to do different things based upon your program. Then finally, I want to demonstrate the system information command.
Main menu.
And so,
Contacts.
and the system information command is a space I, and basically it's just going to give you a bunch of different information about your unit and its system.
Tablet status. Status of the battery, network, and other information.
Thanks for watching.